It's me again. Guess what we gonna make today? Chicken livers. I know. A lot of people don't like chicken livers. Organ food, if they call it. But we're going to do it today. And there's something I forgot. Let me get something. Okay, just in case some of you who never had chicken livers before, this is pretty much what chicken livers look like. And before we do this, we're going to have to clean them. And yes, this stuff that's in here is blood. I'm just going to empty it all out. Because I got 2 bowls here. One I'm going to use for cleaning them. And then the other one for battering in there. And my trusty scissors for cutting them. Down a little bit, so you can see what I'm doing. Now you can use a knife. I just find scissors to be easier. I know, big livers for a chicken, huh? Okay. So basically what we're going to do is clean this. As you can see, all the blood is coming out of the liver. We want to clean them. And I'm going to go back over to the sink and finish this up. I'll be back when this is done, where I'm going to pat them down, and I'm going to prepare them to be floured. Be right back. Okay. Nice and cleaned. First, paper towels. You don't have to do this. You can kind of semi-pat them dry a little bit. Actually, patting them dry may be a bad idea because the flour won't stick very well. So I'm going to bypass that route. And no, this is not coffee. But they sure make great containers to put flour in. Now where's my spice? I'm going to use this. This is going to be the last stage before I put them into the air fryer. So I'm going to get that up. There's one other thing I forgot I got to do. Hold on. I can use the same bowl that it's in. We're going to add some buttermilk. Okay. Ooh, let me make sure I set this up. And we're going to add a little hot sauce. Give it a little bling bling. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about an hour. Then I'm going to bring it back out and we're going to flour it up, put it in that Instant Pot. So it looks like a hot mess, I know. But let me go ahead and put this in the fridge. I'll be back in about an hour. We're back. Now it's time to prepare. I'm just going to take them out. Kind of dry them off a little bit. Oh, you don't really see that. Dump them into some flour. Now, I suggest cut them in smaller pieces if you like. Me, I don't really care much. I like to, I eat them either way, big pieces, but smaller pieces tend to work better because you can have them like little bite size, like you were eating like little treats. Fry them up real nice. Drop them in the air fryer. Messing with flour, your hands get so sticky. Not sure what was going on there for a second. And you want to layer them in the air fryer individually so they're not touching. Looks like we might need a little bit more flour. Mouse piece. Okay, and I got room for another one. See if I can scoop some stuff around. Okay. All right. So now we have them in the air fryer. I'm gonna cook these up, and we're gonna do a quick taste test, and then I'm gonna cook the rest of them up. I'll be back. Okay, we are back. Look at that. Chicken livers. Let me just grab me one. Now look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So now when you do these, make sure you spray it with some kind of oil or non-stick spray on it so that the flour can bake on it. It's crunchy. And this will cook for about 10-12 minutes. If you like chicken livers, you're absolutely going to adore these. They're light, crunchy, and they're not fried, which is going to save you on the cholesterol, making these livers a little bit more health conscious. Outside of that, you got to be a chicken liver lover to appreciate the flavor of these good livers. And I'm telling you, they're nice and crunchy, but they're not fried. Look at that. Look at that. And look at this in this well-cooked livers. I got nothing else to say. If you like livers, you will enjoy this recipe. If you don't like livers, you can bypass it. I know everybody don't like livers. I absolutely adore them. But I've gotten away from fried food, so you have to figure out other ways to cook stuff outside of frying. But these are absolutely delicious. Oh, God. Until next time, family, take care, live long, be safe.